face or you can do anything.
I think it's better the other way. Yeah.
No. Let her make.
No,
me
no,
laugh.
no, no.
I can win this.
Please. Ask him to make me laugh. Please. He's already in the role.
Sure.
You can make funny face or tell something to him. Anything. You can do anything. You guys made him laugh. That's it. వాళ్ళు చేశారు. You should try. Once try.
What was the dialogue again? Tell me once more.
రాట్లేదా రాట్లేదా
அதோட மீனிங் என்ன தெரியாது. అவ்வளోதான். థ్యాంక్ యూ.
మమిత మీద ఎంత ప్రేమ అంటే మొత్తం మీరే చేసేస్తున్నారు, హెల్ప్ చేసేస్తున్నారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్ ఫర్ హెల్పింగ్ మీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Like finally, last.
Genuinely.
Yes, genuinely.
Not making laugh.
No.
Okay. Pradeep sir, thank you so much for being such a wonderful co-star. நீங்க கொடுத்த the support you have given me, the space you have given me, thank you for that. It makes Dude special for me because acting made, like, for me, getting into Tamil industry or acting in Tamil was కొంచెం difficult, but you made it easier. Thank you so much. Thank you.
అంతేనా? దేవదాస్ డైలాగ్ ఏం లేదా?
దేవదాస్ డైలాగ్ వేను. దేవదాస్ సార్, మీరెందుకు నాకు ఇవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు?